batsman's always like that to take as less balls to get settled as possible, and then to play as aggressively as you can. And for an opener, it's even more important that you get your team off to a great start. So I really didn't go in with any plan. And also when you're wicket keeping and then you have to go back, and I change a lot of gear, and by the time you change, the umpires are back, so you're in a rush, and I was in a hurry. I went there and there was no planning to do, there was no time to plan. So yeah, once I played, I just wanted to give myself a couple of balls to see if the ball will swing, but it didn't. So I knew I had to go, I had to use the new ball, because it would have gotten a little harder to score with the older ball, because that's what I assessed standing behind the stumps, and that's what happened to Daredevils as well. So I wanted to get my team off to a good start. So yeah, well, luckily it came off for me. So yeah, that was the plan. So when I went there in the middle is when I started to plan. Wonderful. I mean, see, look, after the kind of start you got, you wanted someone to play sensibly yet keep the momentum going. So Karun paced his innings perfectly. We lost 2 wickets after the 60-run start. Mayank got out and I got out the next over. So yeah, you know, to keep that momentum going and to play cricketing shots and still keep the run rate up was exactly what we wanted from our number 4 batsman, and he played that role perfectly. And yeah, going in, Yuvi got a little bit of time in the middle, which is great. Miller got time in the middle. Stoinis got a hit in the middle. So overall, as a batting unit, I think we planned and paced the innings perfectly, and everybody got a hit, which is great. So we can carry the confidence forward. He's such a dynamic player and a personality. He's just, you know, with the way he's played his cricket, with the things that have happened in his life, he's just an inspiring sportsman and inspiring human being. So we've all looked up to him as boys who started to play cricket. The flair that he brought into the game, the style, the charisma that he carried out was amazing. So I've always, wanted to play on the same team as him. We've only played a few one-day and few T20 internationals together, but it was still fun. So now that I get two months of time with Yuvipa in the dressing room, it'll be a great learning. I love to talk to him, not just about cricket, just about life, about style, about fashion. So yeah, he's somebody who's a complete entertainer on and off the field. So it's lovely to have someone like that who's entertaining, who's experienced, who's dynamic with cricket. It's just an overall package. Look, it's still a long way away. As players or as a team, we don't want to be thinking so far. We believe that we've prepared really well. We've worked very hard in the leading up to the IPL, and luckily for us, we've started well and started on a great note. So we only look to take things forward. With each game, you have a lot of positives. You make a few mistakes, you try to correct them. So yeah, as the tournament goes on, it's only going to get hectic as we keep playing back-to-back games, which will be harder on the body. It's important for us to take care of our bodies and be ready physically and mentally. So yeah, there are a lot of challenges leading up to the playoffs, but yeah, like I said, we believe that we've prepared well, and yeah, we're going to, if we have fun along the way, enjoy our victories, celebrate our losses, learn from our losses, we'll be fine. And I'm very, very confident of the team doing really well this year.